Hey everyone, hope you're well. So in this one we're going to try and put some curves into the garden. It's very hard lines at the moment, so we're going to add some curves and do a bit of planting and see where we go. So, as you'll see, I made a little, just 2 brick high wall, trying to put some curves into the garden. It's very big, open and square, a lot of lawn, and I'm gradually trying to chip away at that and make it a bit more aesthetically pleasing with some curves and other lines. It's on the left hand side where we took back the fence quite a bit. Which was ivy. It's still there. We just cut it back quite a bit. And while we're doing that, we had a wood chipper, chipped it all up. So we've made loads of mulch, and the curve we've cut out, the bedding area we've cut out, we're able now to use all that chip, all that mulch, and put back over the soil once we planted. Ooh, a bit blowy now. So all that mulch, we had probably a ton bag and a half of mulch, wood chip. So that wood chipper was invaluable, and I just love, if you can hear me over the wind, I just love the idea of the recycling element. So it was all the ivy and everything we cut back. It was a whole load of trimmings and prunings from the cob nut we have. There was some Lilandii in there. Basically we chipped everything and we got 2 big bags full, and I thought we'd be giving it away because we couldn't use it, but it's gone virtually all around the garden. I love that element. You can actually see the wood chipper I use. It's from Hyundai. It was a 420cc, 14 horsepower chipper, so quite a big beast. And that's it. If you go to gardeningdiary.co.uk, go to the reviews section, and you can see that review there, along with others, obviously. see the curves on this side leading into the garden. What I want to do is mimic those curves this side and then bring the brick out and round here in the future. Digging some old wooden edging out, and there's some stag beetle larvae. Anyway, that wraps it up for now. Another one done. We're slowly chugging through them. As I said before, if you've got time, maybe you can go to gardeningdiary.co.uk and see the reviews I've done on different gardening products. I also run gardeningnews.co.uk, so you can go and catch up with all the news there. There's loads to do, loads to cover. I'll be down at Chelsea on the 18th for press day, so I may see some of you there. If I see you there, or if you see me, give me a shout. Anyway, do what makes you happy, and we'll catch you soon.